Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you my new Lego Technic set that I got from for my birthday. I bought it, and hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. I just had to turn my Amazon Echo off. So what I did, see, this is and if you haven't seen my other video that I think I posted, I got a couple new sets. I got Big Ben. Yeah. And I'll show you her in another video. I might do, and see, this is the, it's called the Mac Anthem. And it's based on a real truck. So, I'm going to show you the mechanism now. Sadly, my stand has broken. So, I'm going to have to, and so here's my controller, and down here I have the battery box. I had to put it on wheels. And so here, I tried to lift this container up. It's supposed to. Right now it has an alligator inside. The door's actually open. See, I can show you inside. See, there's the alligator. It's just a Lego alligator. And so now, see, watch these arms. Whoop, wrong way. What? I know, that's cool, right? And now for the other part of the arm. Whoop. Pretty cool, right? And I can put it back also. There goes the first. Pretty cool, right? Yeah, and I didn't do anything with the truck itself. I did want to show you something. Well, there's actually a couple things I wanted to show you in this set. Sorry. So here in the front, it has pistons. And whenever you move the truck, see, the pistons go up and down. Also, the doors can open on the sides. And what's really cool is that, so on the back, here there's a knob. And if you turn it, the front wheels turn. And also, if you could see, the steering wheel also turns. It's really cool. That's what I really like about this set. And both doors open. And this trailer can actually detach. See, first you would have to put down this stand here. And push this in. And then move. And then boom. You're unattached. It's really cool. I love this mechanism. And now if you want to couple it back up, all you have to do is back it up there, push this in, and then boom, you got it back connected. Oh, I want to put the stand back up though. So that's my video for today, guys. Stay tuned and let me know what you want me to do next. Yeah. Whoops. Is the camera lens? Oh, sorry, guys. I'm having a little... Wait, was I like the... Oh, yeah, I was like... Sorry, I'm having a little trouble with the camera. So, yeah, let me know what you want me to do next. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.